In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Notion Web Clipper to Chrome. If you're new to it, Notion Web Clipper is a simple tool that lets you save any web page straight into your Notion workspace, so you can organize articles, research, or inspiration without leaving your browser. We'll use the easiest method, installing it directly from the Chrome Web Store. This process is quick, safe, and works on any computer where you use Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome. Head to the Chrome Web Store. You can search for it online or type it into your address bar. Once you're there, use the search box and type Notion Web Clipper. You should see the official extension published by Notion. Click Add to Chrome. A small pop-up will ask you to confirm. Click Add Extension. Chrome may briefly show a message about the permissions the clipper needs, such as reading and saving content you choose to clip. That's normal for a tool designed to capture pages you select. The extension will install in just a few seconds. When it's done, Chrome will usually confirm the installation and you'll notice a new Notion icon appear in the top right corner of the browser toolbar. That's your quick access button for the clipper. Click the Notion icon to open it for the first time. You'll be prompted to log into your Notion account. Once you're signed in, the clipper will ask where you want to save web pages. You can choose your main workspace or a specific database like a reading list or research hub. Selecting a database helps you stay organized from the start because every page you clip will go right where you expect it. You can change this destination later inside the clipper window as your needs evolve. If you don't see the Notion icon in the toolbar, it may just be hidden. Click the puzzle-shaped extensions icon in the top right corner. Find Notion Web Clipper in the list and click the pin icon next to it. Pinning keeps the clipper visible so you can capture pages with a single click whenever you need. That's it. The clipper is now ready to use. If you switch between multiple Chrome profiles, make sure you install it on the profile where you do your browsing. And if you ever want to adjust where clips are saved, just open the clipper and pick a different workspace or database. With the Notion Web Clipper added to Chrome, saving and organizing content from the web becomes fast, consistent, and effortless.